Hi my dear, I'm Lana. Welcome to ShakeThat channel. In our last video, we cooled off with some delicious mojitos to beat the summer heat. Today we are diving into another refreshing cocktail perfect for hot day, Aperol Spritz. We'll be exploring 4 different and exciting variations. Let's get started and keep the summer vibes rolling. Let's start with the classic Aperol Spritz, a staple at any summer gathering for its bright citrusy flavor. I'm gonna use Aperol, sparkling wine and water, orange, and ice. Fill a wine glass with ice. Do it carefully because it's fragile. I need sparkling wine. I did it. I need 3 ounces. Add 2 ounces of Aperol. And add a splash of club soda. And mix with bar spoon. Garnish with orange wedges. And it's ready! The classic Aperol Spritz is effervescent and slightly bitter, with a zesty orange aroma that perfectly complements the dry notes of sparkling wine. Now, let's add a berry twist with the strawberry Aperol Spritz. You've probably figured out by now that I add strawberries to everything. I'm gonna use Aperol, sparkling wine and water again, and fresh strawberry, and of course, ice. I'll need 5 strawberries. Cut them into 4 parts. Set on half aside for decoration, and place the cut strawberries into a shaker. And muddle it. Now we need wine glass. Fill it with ice. Put our strawberry puree into the wine glass. Add 1 ounce of Aperol. One and a half ounces of sparkling wine. And a splash of club soda. Careful mix it. And decorate with our half a strawberry. The strawberry Aperol Spritz offers a sweet and tangy flavor with a fresh berry twist, making it an instant summer favorite. Now, let's make a peach Aperol Spritz. This juicy and sunny cocktail features the warm, delicate aroma of fresh peaches. Our ingredients: Aperol, sparkling wine and water again, fresh peach for decoration, peach puree, and ice. With peach puree I made myself, just blend fresh peach like in this video. Again, I fill wine glass with ice. Pour in 1.5 ounces of peach puree. 2 ounces of Aperol, and 3 ounces of sparkling wine. Add a splash of club soda and mix. And finish with peach slice. This cocktail is light and sweet with a delicious hint of peach, which pairs beautifully with bittersweet profile of Aperol and the effervescence of sparkling wine. Finally, let's try the Blackberry Aperol Spritz. This dark berry version of the classic Aperol Spritz is incredibly addictive and luxurious. Our ingredients: Aperol, sparkling wine, sparkling water, fresh blackberry, mint for garnish, and ice. Let's do it! Fill a wine glass with ice. In a shaker, place a half cup of blackberries. I need several for garnish. Add 1 ounce of Aperol and muddle. Add some ice in the shaker and strain the mixture into our wine glass. Add 2 ounces of sparkling wine and a splash of club soda and stir. Adorn with our fresh blackberry and mint sprigs. It's ready. Enjoy the rich, berry-forward flavor of Blackberry Aperol Spritz, where the tartness of blackberries pairs perfectly with fresh citrusy notes of Aperol. Guys, we've made it! 4 delicious variations of Aperol Spritz to keep your summer parties cool and refreshing. Which ones are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cocktail recipes. Cheers!